Delhi police has taken custody of Khalid Saifi. Khalid was the name which was mentioned in the earlier charge sheet of having arranged a meeting with Tahir in Jamia. He was in the joint committee there. That's the big breaking news that we are getting for you. Another person, another name has now cropped up, that of Khalid. He and Tahir had met in Jamia. Remember, Tahir Hussain is the former Aam Aadmi Party corporator. They had met in Jamia, and which is why the Delhi police have now taken him into custody, and his role into the Chandbagh violence is now being probed into. But remember, amidst a barrage of attacks coming in from the Lutyens, there is this big arrest. Let me go across to Priyank Tripathi, who is joining us. Priyank, tell us a bit about Khalid. Who's he? What's his role?
Meghna, he is considered to be one of a person who had arranged a meeting of Umar Khalid and Tahir Hussain. Tahir Hussain, as we know, has already been booked in two of the charge sheets. His name has come as an accused in two of the charge sheets, which has been filed by the Delhi Police Crime Branch SIT, which is probing the case. And earlier also, Tahir was arrested, and Delhi Police has taken his police custody in another set of FIRs which was filed in other cases. There are 700 odd FIRs which have been filed by the Delhi Police. As we know that in the earlier incident also, many of these activists have been booked in several FIRs, first by the local police, then by the crime branch, and then by the Delhi Police Special Cell. This time, Saifi has been taken into police custody by the crime branch.
Priyank, who all has this man been in touch with? I know the name has already come up, that of Tahir Hussain of the Aam Aadmi Party's former corporator.
Tahir Hussain has been booked in two of the charge sheet being now. And later to that, what we know that Khalid Saifi was the one who was one of the mastermind behind these conspiring a big protest which should have been carried out when President Donald Trump of the United States was in the national capital. And that particular day on 24th, when he was visiting Delhi, a series of riots broke out in the national capital, which continued till 25th. More than 53 people lost their life. And what Delhi police have been suggesting that we are looking into the conspiracy angle, because these riots were not impromptu. There was a larger conspiracy. Like in the case of Tahir, we already know that he had given 15,000 rupees to one of the another accused who was also charge sheeted yesterday for the taking out and purchasing of many of the cartridges. Role of Tahir has been known to us, of all of us, that how he was instigating people, how he was involved in the riot. Now the role of instigators and all those who were behind in conspiracy is being probed by the Delhi Police Special Cell post the sequence of incidents which have already been mentioned by them. So Saifi once again being arrested by the Delhi Police Special Crime Branch in connection with the Delhi riot.
Well, this is very interesting, Priyank, because this man, Khalid, is Umar Khalid's close aide as well. And Umar Khalid, when he was arrested, there was an entire Lutyens lobby which came out and said that this is Islamophobia. Now, how can they explain this mounting evidence?
What Delhi Police has been saying, that we are looking into the larger conspiracy angle now, because the local police has already filed the charge sheet in the case. More than 430 people have been charge sheeted by Delhi Police district unit as well as by the crime branch of the Delhi Police. Now, the special cell is looking into the larger conspiracy. Since these people, like Khalid Saifi, the name of Umar Khalid has also cropped up in several of the charge sheets, but he has not been, booked in any of the charge sheets which has been filed by the Delhi Police units. So now the probe is gradually shifting into a conspiracy angle, the larger conspiracy which was behind the riot, and for that the Delhi Police says that we need custodial interrogation of all these victims who could be behind the series of violence which happened. So after their arrest, they were sent to judicial custody by the courts. But since their name has also cropped up in another FIR, Saifi has been once again arrested by the Delhi Police by crime branch. I'm sorry.
So, Priyank, it does seem that Khalid Saifi is the one who may have masterminded that meeting between the former Aam Aadmi Party corporator, whom you can see on your screens right now, Tahir Hussain and Umar Khalid. But if you can explain to us why this linkage is very important in the context of funding, Priyank?
Yeah, certainly. See, there was a meeting which happened on 8th of January 2020, almost a month before this riots broke out in the national capital, which was on 24th and 25th of February. Umar Khalid was there at Shaheen Bagh. Then we know that Tahir Hussain, one of the key conspirators, who is also a writer who has been charge-sheeted, had visited this location. So what it was actually happening is that since these protesters were unable to gather in large number in the Luton zone where the President Donald Trump would have visited, that's why they shifted their focus to other 19 locations. So in a very well thought, well planned manner, these riots happened, and his role is also under scandal. That's why he has been charge-sheeted.
So this is very, very important information that you are getting for us. This man in the middle of your screens is Khalid Saifee, who is Umar Khalid's aide. He is the person who brought Umar Khalid and Tahir Hussain, arranged for a meeting between the two of them amidst Donald Trump's visit to India. Let me go across to Siddhant Mishra also, who's joining us. Siddhant, it was initially declared by the Delhi police that it's not spontaneous, it was a pre-planned conspiracy with all these pieces falling into place. Now, if you can tell us what the larger conspiracy looks like behind the Delhi riots.
Now the question goes, Meghna, who is Khalid Saifee? Now Khalid Saifee is somebody who runs organization United Against Hate. Now this particular organization's name was mentioned by Home Minister Amit Shah in Parliament, and at the same time his role has been found in Delhi Police's investigation also as far as Chand Bagh riots are concerned. Now at the time of the riots, he was picked after the riots in Khajuri Khas in the FIR of Khajuri Khas area riot. Now the recent development is that yesterday he was taken into custody by the crime branch SIT, who is probing the entire Delhi riots case, and now what we have been told is that his name is already in the charge sheet. Now he was a felicitator. His work was to get everybody on board, to unite everybody against, to start the protest, to do the riots. This is what Delhi Police's charge sheet says. Now he is very close to Umar Khalid. He is also very close to Tahir Hussain. Both have been booked under UAPA. This is the first time that crime branch has arrested him in the Chand Bagh riots case, and the role that is defined in that is that he was felicitating the entire meet at Shaheen Bagh control room. Now Shaheen Bagh has been called as a control room by the Delhi Police's charge sheet. So on 8th of January, that particular meeting took place. That was a brief meeting between Umar Khalid, Tahir Hussain, and
so slowly the conspiracy behind the communal riots in Delhi in February is now unraveling. Thank you so much, Priyank, as well as Siddhant, for putting this entire plot into perspective.